Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I set up this gorgeous pocket-sized planner from Aura Estelle. This is the cloud planner as a wallet on a chain, and I could do that because this planner has two little hooks here on the side, and this chain does not come with the planner, but it's available as a separate purchase. Let me put it here, and it comes in actually two length in standard, which you can use as a shoulder. Probably there's a crossbody depending on your body frame, or if you're wearing a jacket, not wearing a jacket, and then in a standard length as well. And I am gonna actually remove the strap here so that it makes less noise, but you can see there's two lobster clasps right here, so it's super easy to attach and disattach. And so this is gonna be my wallet. Now first of all, the cloud planner is made of gorgeous premium vegan leather, and it has the scalloped head here, the little pocket, not the pocket, the flap. It has the Aura Estelle symbol here on the little closure, and it's just soft and just like, I love this vegan leather. It just feels like leather to me, honestly. And the color that I have it in, it's called Misty Grey, which is a true gray. So regardless of how the lights are showing this, I'm telling you, this is just a medium gray. So I just love this color because I didn't have anything in this color. And also I think as wearing as a purse or as a wallet on a chain, it's something that goes with a little bit of everything because it's a great neutral. Now when you open it up, you first see that there are actually two options, so you can make it tighter or larger. I put it on the basically larger option just because I stuffed mine a little bit, so I didn't want it to kind of pop when I am walking about. And then before we start looking inside, I'm gonna, the planner has a little kind of opening here in the front, which you could use for papers, letters, whatever you have, like coupons, etc. But I thought it would make a great spot where you can put an extra face mask, because I don't know if it's only me, but how many times I leave the car and I forget to put my mask on, and then I get to the store door and then I realize, oops, I gotta go back to the car. So having one emergency one in here, I think it's very helpful for me. Now on the I guess the side of this flap side, there is a zipper compartment, which has a little little thing you can pull it from. And inside here I am gonna be storing everything that is I don't want to get lost. Now when you close this up and you have it vertically like this, I don't think anything will fall out, but just to be extra sure, just because I don't want to lose anything, I thought that putting any credit cards or cash or things that really cannot get, I don't want it to fall out, would be the best option. And what I stored in here is a Simply Gilded little credit card holder. Now this came in the August Park Avenue box, so if you were subscribed at that month, you received this in your box. Otherwise it's available on the site in different colors, and they're a wisteria color that will match beautifully with the kit that I used for the box, that I used to set up the wallet on a chain, which is the January Iridescent Ink box from Simply Gilded. Now with this little, and this is a vegan leather, by the way, and it's $12 on the site. I have the credit card here that I use the most. I have my ID, and I have a little bit of cash in there. Now one thing that I didn't do, but that just because it's not gonna be the best thing to just move this about while I'm filming, but one thing that you can do just to make things easier or faster once you are taking this in and out, because you see it fits, but if you wanted like a quicker way to pull it out, I thought, why not use one of the beautiful keychains that Irene has. And if you've been subscribed, you'll receive keychains like this before. There was one in the December box as well. So you can totally just slip this in right there, then leave kind of like the lobster clasp on that end, and then leave it like this. So when you close it, you can still close it, it just will come out on the side like that. So once you want to open it, if you don't want to struggle, I guess you can just pull it right out. So that's just an idea of something that I thought, and you know, I wanted to use actually this cute little charm because I've had it for a while and I haven't used it yet. But so let's continue and put it in here. So now we're coming to the section that is generally a planner, because this is in fact a pocket-sized planner, which can be used, you know, with these little hooks as a wad on a chain. But so when I started working on the setup, I struggle a little bit because, as you know, if you're familiar with my other planner setups, I just love you know, to add a lot of decorations, 3D embellishments, etc. So this setup is very simple. It's very down to the minimum of decorations, just because, number one, I didn't want things to fall out as I was handling, moving pages, etc. And number two, it's, you know, it's a wallet. So I didn't want to go too overboard. Now, on this side of the planner, we have two pockets that are very deep. You can put a lot of stuff in here. And then we have 5 credit card holders. So this credit card holders fit a credit card on the vertical. And just because, again, I want to be extra sure that nothing's going to fall out, I only have 2 Starbucks gift card. I have a little paper clip that is stuck nicely and tightly here on the you know, on the vegan letter, so it's not gonna go anywhere. This one is from PeoniesPaperie. Then I have made a little washi card with the washi from the box, from the January Iridescent Ink box from SimplyGilded. The card itself is also from SimplyGilded, and I have a little 3D heart from the ThePlannerSociety there. And then I have this little kind of holographic or kind of multicolor little heart paper clip attached to it. Then I have some stickers from Michaels, and then here on the edge I have the vellum sticky tabs that came in the iridescent box. And I think this you'll see them, I have some more inside here, but to write on these vellum little sticky notes, you can use the Sakura Microperm pen, which came in previous boxes from SimplyGilded, and it's also available on the website. And also it's actually just the perfect size for a pocket size planner, because, you know, if you use, like, let's say a regular size, I mean, it still fits, it's just that this is still slightly smaller, and I just wanted to you know, have something that I could write on the vellum. So I think it's a perfect fit. Also, I like how it goes with the color. Now, for the main section of my little wallet on a chain, you'll see that it's basically one giant section because I'm holding it together with an elastic band. Now, the elastic band is not necessary per se, but I thought, I was just really, again, trying to be super careful, and I'm thinking, what if I open this up? What if something happens? What are the options? You know, what is the best solution for me to make sure that whenever I open this, if something flops, you know, like down like this, that it's just going to be one chunk and nothing, you know, that will reduce the risk of anything falling out. So I've used this elastic that I had at home, and I just wrapped it around it. So this, you know, keeps it all nice and snug right here. But again, I don't think it's necessary. It's just something that you know, I wanted to add. Now, as I mentioned, these the papers and the stickers that I use are from the Iridescent Ink box from SimplyGilded, which is the January box, and it's absolutely stunning. Now, this is basically in the first dashboard. I'll show you. It's a combination of the beautiful acetate, which has the stars and holographic stars, and then under it there is the beautiful vellum. Now, normally I would have separated them just to you know, like one would be the vellum, one would be the acetate, but in this case I was afraid that, you know, if I am going through it and you know, kind of rushing, I'm in a store, or I have this you know, propped on a cart, I don't want things, you know, like the vellum can be a little delicate, so I don't even want to ruin it. So I glued it a little bit. I put a little bit of glue, which actually left a residue, and I'm not too happy about it, but there is a glue that you can use that doesn't leave a residue. I just didn't have any, but so I put a little glue just to glue it together, and then I put glitter edgers from ThePlannerSociety, and then one of the bow seals that came in the box. And so this first section is just only for cards, like store cards, you know, that kind of like, you know, if you go to the supermarket, or, you know, gift cards or store credits, etc. So I bought, to use this section, I bought these little pocket size card holders that are made for the Filofax pocket. Now, I first bought some on Amazon, but the ones from Amazon were actually personal size. So that was a complete waste. So be careful, because I don't think that on Amazon they sell the pocket size. And this is how they look like. This is a Filofax credit card holder, holds 4 cards. And I purchased it from Pen Boutique, and they were really quick. It arrived within 2 days, 1 day, something like that. Now, the only issue I have with this holder, that I am not 100% happy with it. This has four slots. There's 2 slots in the front, 2 slots in the back. However, basically what happens, and let me show you. Wait, I had another card ready for do this. Okay, here we go. So let's say that I want to use the second slot up here. It will show basically once it goes all the way down, it still leaves a little bit. See right there, it doesn't go flush, and so it kind of bothered me. But if it doesn't bother you, you know, you can use up to 4 cards. I decided to just use 2 cards at one time, just so that I wouldn't have anything peeking out from the top. And of course, you can use it for anything else. It even fits like little stickers if you prefer to use that. And then this is the back of the same, you know, of the same little dashboard. And on this side, I put the vellum little tabs that, again, I can write on with my little microperm pen. And this came in the Simply Gilded January box. Then I have a sheet of jelly paper with different little glitter edges from the Planner Society. And then I have a mini little washi dashboard, completely useless in this case because it's a wallet, but it just makes me happy. I mean, I try to really pare down to the bare minimum. As you can tell, there's no accessory, nothing, no extra stickers, but I really was afraid that if I kept on leafing through this while I'm at a store, once I'm rushing, things are gonna fall off, and so that was gonna be a worse solution. But I just love this little mini washi dashboard. It's little, but it just packs a punch. It's just like such a beautiful combination of colors. I just added this 5mm that I had from a previous purchase, always from Simply Gilded, and then I have a iridescent heart right there on both sides. And then I have my second section, which is just paper. So this is actually Filofax paper. So I'm gonna use this just to write down, like before you leave home, just write down your little list. Then when you're at the store, you can just rip it out. There are also beautiful papers on Any Plans printables with beautiful designs. I just didn't have a chance to print them, but that's also not an option. And then this is the back. Again, very simple, very same you know, combination of acetate over vellum and the Simply Gilded seal and the glitter edges from the Planner Society. And then back here, I tried something a little different. Now, this is not the best solution. I mean, I have one of those little hole punchers for pocket size, and I was trying to kind of see which one was the best angle to basically cut into the sheets without cutting too much into the stickers. So you can actually do it if you probably are a little more patient than I am, which I'm not. So I just started punching, and then I was like, oh, I can actually move it more towards the edge and it will cut less into the sticker. But so I kind of butchered a few stickers, but I just wanted to add some of the stickers, and this came these two came in the January box, the Iridescent Ink box from Simply Gilded, and this is one that I had from a previous box, and I just thought, you know, they're the little icons, so it's always something useful. Then I have another one of the jelly paper with my initial from Michael. And then here is a little pocket. Now, this pocket came from this little, I cut it up, so But when it was together, it basically had another card holder, and then these little zipper pockets. They are like wallet organizers or something. They're available on Amazon. I bought them a very long time ago. But what I was trying, I basically punch holes in it, and then I'm going to use it to keep receipts of things that I want to return. And then on top here, I have the vellum sticky notes from the Simply Gilded Iridescent box. But again, these are very simple to, you know, insert in and out. You can also put coupons, whatever you want to keep safe back in there. And then back here, this is the credit card part, basically, of that same holder. I did not use it, actually. I was going to say I did not use it for credit cards, because once I start punching into it, if you put your credit card in here, it will be very hard to get this out because the credit card is longer. And so I decided to use it for these little pictures that you can get from your mini printers. This is an HP printer that I printed mine on, and these are my kids who asked to have their face not shown. And so I had to put a cute little bow from Live Life and Create, these cute little bow stickers right on top of their faces, because, you know, they wanted their privacy. And then back here, it's my hubby, and then my mom and dad. So that is it. And then back here, actually, guys, there's also another pocket. So even more, you know, space to put receipts, coupons, whatever you need. So this is it, guys. So this is a super cute, very fast little setup if you wanna, you know, use your Aura Estelle pocket size cloud planner as a wallet. And I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a DM at Planningfancy, as I always answer to all messages. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye bye.